Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Tom Ford Padlock heel. If you think that you would be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Alright, so we're going to get right into it. So I ordered these from Net-a-Porter. I ordered from them online. And oh my god, I wish I had the packaging. I'm gonna insert, I did like a cute TikTok unboxing with the how it came with the bow and everything so you guys can see. But it came with the cute bow tied up. And it comes with all the information right here. And then they even had like some black tissue. The packaging was really, really cute. So I got these shoes at it said that they retailed for $1,252 and then I got 10% off, so I ended up paying $1,127.12. So yeah, I did get 10% off. I think there was like a 10% welcome discount. Like if you signed up for their email, then you would get 10% off. So yeah, make sure that you use that. So it just comes in the Tom Ford shoe box. It says Tom Ford, of course. Really cute. And then it comes with the dust bag. So you do get 2 dust bags for each shoe. And they just say Tom Ford. And then it also comes with 4 heels, like the little heel, what are they called? If your heel comes off, like the bottom, it comes with 4 of these, which I think is great. So you definitely are gonna have some extras. And they have the same material, same color right here. And then you open it up. So you open it up and then it comes packaged like this. So it has the little peppers right here and then it also has one right here and then it has the locks. So these are the shoes. So they're completely gold and then they have of course the classic Tom Ford padlock heel. Like they all have this beautiful gold heel. And then it has the padlock right here. As soon as I saw this shoe, I was like, oh my god, I have to get it because I don't have a shoe like this at all in my collection. I don't have a gold shoe. And you can notice a lot of my accessories are gold. Like a lot of my bags have gold hardware because I just love gold. Like I just love it. So as I saw them on Instagram, they were just stuck in my mind for weeks and weeks. And what really made me like, okay, I have to get these, was I was going out and I had this outfit and I was like, I cannot find like shoes to go with them. And I was like, oh my god, like those gold shoes will look perfect with this outfit. So then I was looking at my closet and I was like, you know what, they would go with this outfit and this outfit and this outfit. Then I realized like, okay, I really need to get these. So I did some digging. They were completely sold out on Tom Ford. They didn't have them at Saks or Neiman. Like they were just so hard to find. And then I stumbled and I saw them on 24S and they had a 7. That was the last size that they had, was a size 7. And I ordered them. So this is actually my 3rd time ordering these shoes. So I ordered them from 24S. They came, I'll show like the packaging. They came really, really nice packaging. Like their packaging is to die for. I definitely want to order some more things. And I actually got them for 15% off. So I got these for like even cheaper when I first ordered them. But I got the 7, which is my true size, and they were too small. They were like way too small. So I'm like, oh my god, okay. So then I saw these on Net-a-Porter and they had a 7.5 and they had an 8. So I went inside Neiman Marcus and I was talking to the lady and she was like, you know, I would really recommend, because I actually called them and she thought that they had them, but they actually didn't. They had a bronze, but that's not what I wanted. And I was talking to her and she was like, I think that, you know, you should get an 8. But I was talking to my grandmother and she was like, no, I think you should get 7.5. I think the 8 is gonna be too big. So I was like, oh, you know what? And they actually had a 7.5. They had one pair of 7.5 and then they had an 8. And I was like, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna get both. So I got both. 7.5 was too small. I'm so happy that I got the 8. Oh my gosh. And I ordered 7.5 and I was like, something just like my gut was telling me, no, DeUndrea, get the 8 too. And then you could just already return them, you know, the other size. So yeah, so I got the 8 and y'all, they fit. So they have the pointy heel, which I honestly kind of was like, I don't know if these are flattering for my shoe, like for my foot, because I had other shoes that were pointy and I don't know, I feel like my foot looked weird, but these, they look so cute. I don't know. what it is, but I just feel like this shoe is so sexy. This is the heel, and I believe this is a I think it's 115 mm, so about like 4 inches, roughly 4 inches. So it's not like super bad shoe. It's definitely comfortable. A lot of people say that this shoe is super comfortable, so that's what really was like, oh my god, I have to get these, because a lot of people said they're so comfortable, and I just thought they were so cute, and I was like, yes, I need these, because I've had my fair share of buying heels and they not being comfortable, so definitely comfort is very important to me. So the fact that these are comfortable, I'm like, yes, need these. So for sizing, I definitely would recommend, if you can, go inside the store. This is my first Tom Ford purchase, so like I was totally brand new to how their sizing works. I was trying to do some research online, and a lot of people were saying, like, you know, a lot of people were saying they were true to size, so that's why I first got the 7. But then I also saw reviews that were like, oh, go half the size. And then even that was too small. So I got a whole size up. I went up to an 8, and I normally wear a 7 or 7.5, so I went up to an 8. So yeah, if you can, I would recommend going inside the store, even if they don't have the color you want, just to try it on, just to see, you know, like how it fits. Yeah, I don't feel like this has a super high heart or anything. Like, I feel like this shoe is just super sexy. And at the bottom, it just says Tom Ford and made in Italy. Yeah, so on the back, it's just completely black. They did have an old pair of the gold, and actually all of this was gold. And I thought that looked so beautiful, but they actually discontinued, and now it's just black, but it's still cute. You know, it just says Tom Ford made in Italy, 38. This heel, like, I just love it. Oh my God, it's such an iconic heel. I'm obsessed. I don't know what it is, but heels that just are different, I love that. Like the YSL heel, and love this heel. Like, whenever I see a heel that's just like super unique and different, like, I just instantly love the shoe already. This is how the locket looks. So it actually comes with a little key right here, and then it has the locket. So cute. And then these are actually crossed. So I've actually seen people wear these shoes different ways. They wear them like basic strap right here, and then I've also seen people cross the front. So I do like how you get that versatility. You don't really usually get that with shoes, so I think that's cool. So basically how you see it like this in the back, people put that in the front, and that's how I wear it in the front. But honestly, I just like it like this, like just super basic, you know, the typical barely there shoe. Oh my God, this just looks so beautiful. Like, this shoe is just beautiful. So I definitely will wear these shoes, like, you know, of course, going to dinner, going out. I definitely feel like you can dress these up, and you can dress them down like with a pair of jeans. Like, I just feel like this is gonna be a very versatile shoe. I kind of have an outfit in plan that I wanna wear when I go on vacation. I plan on wearing these shoes, my cream off-white YSL bag with the gold hardware, and then like a really cute green dress, like super vacation-y, and I just feel like it's gonna look so cute. I cannot wait. And then you also can wear these with like jeans. I definitely see myself wearing these with like a cute pair of Zara mom jeans, and like a cute crop top like in the summer. I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of these shoes in the summer, because these shoes just scream summer. Like, these were definitely a pricey pair of shoes. I would definitely wish I would have got these on sale. I mean, I did get the 10% off, which ultimately wasn't that much off. But yeah, like I said, I just feel like these were so worth it. They were so just love at first sight. I definitely want to get some more colors. I definitely want to get the new pair, or even the white pair, because I don't have a pair of white shoes. So I definitely am kind of looking at getting the white ones, because I feel like that would be super different too. I haven't worn these yet, so I don't really know about the comfort level yet, but pretty much everyone says that these shoes are super comfortable. So, you know, I definitely feel like they are. I did try them around like in my room and things like that, and they were like super easy to walk in. I didn't, you know, feel like these were hurt or anything like that. But also, like I said, but I also didn't walk that much, you know, I just walked around my room, so that's not really like the real tea on them. But yeah, everybody that has these, they said they're super comfortable. I really just wanted to, you know, give you guys an unboxing of these cute heels. I haven't really seen any like unboxing videos of Tom Ford heels, so I was like, oh my God, I definitely have to make one, because yeah, I love these shoes. And yeah, I wanted to give you guys like sizing information, because I really had trouble kind of figuring out my size when I was trying to order these shoes online. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Put it out the coupe in the lot, 12 fuck SWAT.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot. 12 fuck SWAT.